Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going through how to add a bank account to your Stripe dashboard so you can receive your payouts without any delays. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser, head over to the Stripe website, and log in to your account. Once your main dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Balances. Right under the Balances section, click on the drop-down menu and select Manage Bank Accounts. On this new screen, click the button that says Add Bank Account. Now, carefully fill in your banking details. Choose your preferred currency and enter the account holder's exact name. Next, type in your bank's routing number followed by your account number. For security purposes, you will need to confirm your account number by entering it a second time. Take a quick moment to double check that all your information is perfectly accurate. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Add Bank Account button at the bottom to finalize the setup. And that is it. You have successfully linked your bank account to Stripe. Your payments will now be deposited directly into your account. If this guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.